Okay, let's make a video, and it's going to be about how I make a substantial amount of money on top of the $25 that LiveGood pays every time someone signs up. Okay, now I joined LiveGood March of 2023, didn't take it serious till about April of 2023, and here it is, the end of September of 2024. So I got about a year and a half experience with affiliate marketing, online marketing, network marketing, MLM, whatever the hell it's called. Okay. And I've learned a lot. All right. And I've learned a lot how to take LiveGood and, like the great Grant Cardone says, 10x it, except I 20 and 30x it. And what I mean by that is every time I sign someone up in LiveGood, okay, I get $25. And thank you for that, by the way. So if you sign up with LiveGood today, go to CoryDraper.com. Can you see it? It's always shiny. Joincory.com. Just go to my link. Watch the 6-minute video. Okay. And if you're in, great. Get a hold of me and join. And if not, thanks for just checking it out anyway. Okay. So joincory.com. That's all I do is invite people to that link. People are either in LiveGood or out. Okay. It's so cheap. $9.95 a month. That's it, guys. $40 one time. Now, out of the 40, I get 20. Out of the 10 a month, I get 5. That's the first month only. So I get a $25 bonus real quick just for helping you sign up and get you aboard. So thank you. And I get paid that every Thursday. Okay. I love LiveGood, but I love my time even more. And since I'm born in the 60s, I don't have as much time as you might have if you're born in the 70s, 80s, 90s, or 2000s. So if I'm going to put time and energy into something, I want some scratch. I want some pay. And there ain't nothing wrong with that. It's great making money. It's an awesome feeling, especially if you can do it online. Because most people have to get up, brush their teethies, put on some clothes usually, and go to work, unless you're like an adult film star. Then you just have to brush your teeth, hopefully. That would be nice. Before and after you film your scenes. And during your scenes. It might be hot to watch people brush their teeth while doing their business. But if you are a LiveGooder, that means you can fire up your cell phone or your laptop or your home computer and sit, talk on a webcam like this. Maybe you do a business card now and then. Or what most people do is they get real good at posting about LiveGood on social media. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, X, Threads. There's a whole bunch of social media. I prefer Facebook. Okay. So the goal is for people to watch short little videos, and you want to invite them simply to a link. Now, you got to get a custom domain. Please go to GoDaddy. I got joincory.com because that's my name. It's easy. It looks good on a baseball card. It looks good on a business card. Might look good on a baseball card too. Okay, but I like to 10x it. And what I like to do is use the multiple income funnel. All this is a website where people can join and you can earn money because people need the website. There's credit card processing. Everything is done for you, customer service and everything. But if you have 2 incomes, I have 5. LiveGood is 1. But with the multiple income funnel, out of the 4 incomes on that one website, you, boom, boom. Is that 2? Or how does that look? 2? That's right, 2. I like that the best. Rock and roll, Ronnie James Dio. You can pick 2 businesses out of 4 to put inside your funnel, to put inside your website. And I'll show you what I mean, okay? And it's awesome because when people join the multiple income funnel, I make money. When people join LiveGood, awesome. When they buy traffic or leads or education, I get paid too. All with the multiple income funnel, which is owned by a company called Traffic Authority. So I have been able to 10x my income rather easily because if I make 25 bucks, what's that times 10? 250 bucks? I can make that quite easily per hour, per day, especially per week with the multiple income funnel. Let me show you how I do it. I go to pleasewatchvideo.com. I own that. Isn't that a catchy little phrase? There's my business card. That's not my fingernail. That's hopefully a girl's. Shiny buff. Look at those beautiful fingernails. Pleasewatchvideo.com. I bought that name because I used to do this every 5 seconds. Please watch video. Please watch my video. Cory, what do I do? Just please watch the video. So I bought it, and it goes to the multiple income funnel capture page where you watch an awesome movie, little video, And then, of course, people join or not. Okay, and there it is. You just hit that little YouTube video. So what I love about LiveGood is I just invite people to watch a YouTube video produced by LiveGood. When I want to make a lot more money, I go ahead and invite people to pleasewatchvideo.com and they watch this YouTube video. And if they want to join, they do. I make anywhere from $100, $200, sometimes as high as $600 per day just with this website. Guys, I've learned a lot since LiveGood became a part of my life, March of 2023. Okay? You don't need to have 5 to 10 years of failure and experience to know what to do. You just need to find people kicking ass September of 2024 like myself, and they tell you what they're doing, which I am, and then either do it or not. It's really up to you. I make things simple. I don't bull crap. I don't fake it to make it. I am not broke living underneath the bridge in a van. I've done very well my whole life since age 15. I have never not had a job. I am addicted to work, which is good or bad. But even if I won Powerball, you got to work. I got to work. That Powerball would be nice, but you got to feel valuable. You got to do things. And I think it's a blast doing this online thing. I think it's easy, to be honest, because you're not digging a ditch. You're not driving. You're not like a public defender or maybe a policeman. There's some crazy jobs out there. Garbage men. Oh man, there's so many garbage persons. Is that more politically correct in 2024? But there's a lot of crazy things out there. But if you want to sit at home and just on your computer, on your laptop, on your cell phone, and just get really good at making like business cards at Vistaprint for 25, 30 bucks, hand them out, but don't ever talk about your business. Just hand out the card and say, watch the video. Okay, that's all I do. Okay, and when people go and watch this video, they sign up, okay? And if you want to see what I have done, I put the multiple income funnel. That's my very first income if you want to join. And here's Legacy's Builders Program. This is another opportunity I do that pays $900 a day. That's right, 900. Guys, I have 5 incomes. LiveGood is just one. I have LiveGood right here. See, so people can join Legacy, they can join LiveGood, they can join the funnel, and here's Traffic Authority. They have the best education, and I get commissions if people want to buy some really good courses from them. So how can I 10x? How do I 10x? $25 to $250 or more? Guys, I have 30. I hate talking money, but I'm very comfortable with $1,000 days with 5 incomes. If LiveGood goes away, I still got money coming in. If Legacy, multiple income funnel, if any of these opportunities go away, even if 2 out of 5 go away, I still got 3. I go fishing with 5 fishing poles. When I take the Titanic, if they build another one, I'm bringing 5 of my own lifeboats. Okay, a jet boat, a power boat, like a cigarette boat, like a Miami Vice. I'm not going down with that damn ship in the iceberg. Okay, so whatever business I join, I'm always going to have 2, 3, 4, or 5 other incomes. I am not going to do just one. Okay, and with LiveGood, it's awesome. It's going places. There's millions of people joining. But wouldn't it be nice to 10, 20, 30x the income of LiveGood? And in the meantime, all my other businesses get traffic and email leads and opportunity seekers. Okay, it's like water and oxygen for baby LiveGood. It's a little baby seed. It's a little baby. It needs food, shelter, love, and diapers, and someone to wipe his little bum bum. Okay, please look into watching this video. Okay, I'm just going to show you it again, and I'm done. Okay, well, where's my stupid card? Gosh darn it, I just shrunk it. Okay, look at the center of your screen. There's your homework. Pleasewatchvideo.com. Guys, thanks for your time. I have a great time making these videos. Please look into it. I want you to earn some money. I know you can do this. I can't promise you anything. Disclaimer, but I know you can do this. Pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay? Multiple income funnel. I'm a big fan. Guys, take care. Talk to you later. Bye.